They wrote on, I think this was a knee pain video, my slant board video on knee pain exercises. Congratulations, no frills here. Within 5 minutes, you displayed all that works for real. Yeah, so I wanted to kind of address this because in just a few minutes of some of these exercises, maybe on my channel, maybe on other fitness channels, it doesn't matter where you get it from, you will be able to greatly improve your strength, health, and whatever. It just takes somebody like this subscriber here where they're taking dedicated time out of their day to actually do them, to actually do the exercises. And you can see for this individual perfectly, it worked for them. It worked for them and helped to reduce some of their knee pain. It helped them to feel better. And that's kind of what this channel is all about. Wherever you are currently at in your capability level for fitness, for health, for whatever it is and those types of goals, we are ready to help you. And that's kind of the whole purpose of this channel. So if you do have any comments or questions and you're just starting out, go ahead, drop them down below. I'd love to answer them for you. We'll keep on moving on here though. Keep on moving on. Yeah, the slant board is an excellent. If you haven't already checked out my videos on the slant board, please go check those out. The slant board is such a good tool to save your knees, save your back, and absolutely everything.